Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another instrument cluster here from my EuroVan. This one is from Richard E. from Texas. As we can see, it is very messed up. Yeah, he told me that I guess he or somebody tried to attempt repair, and we can see all needles in their wrong position. The balls are loose in here, but I was actually going to try to connect, but I don't want to do that. To not cause more problems. I think that just by having it here, we can see that, I mean, this is definitely wrong. But let me power up because I want to see, make sure that the lights are coming on and the motors are moving, but definitely completely wrong. The rest of the lights all seem to be good. Everything is in the wrong position, but at least it's powering up. All right, so one more time to see the mileage, 121, 134. All right, Richard, I'm going to take this cluster apart and see what I find and try to perform the correct repairs. I will be stopping right now and come back with the cluster fully repaired. All right, guys, I got Richard ready. I have to actually swap the needles with another cluster that I have, for spare parts. Things that I'm not expecting on things, on cluster like this, and this usually happens when it's mishandling. Yeah, Richard, your all your needles are no longer able to hold in the motors. If I put this, it just goes in and I mean, it's not holding anywhere. So I have to, these are not the original needles as you will immediately notice, but they're working, your needles are this type. I had those needles that fit perfect. Let me power up. So that is finding its position of set, all the lights, everything is now working 100%. Let me put the temperature and fuel. You will see that those are now moving nice and smooth. All stepper motors, the cluster is fully repaired. Let me put the tachometer into 1,000 RPMs. You can see it goes up and down. No issues in there. It's perfectly zero. I'm going to put the speed to 10 miles an hour and it's perfectly set. These needles are the same length. I cannot find anything longer. Hopefully that's not going to be the case or a problem for you. But yeah, that's the longest needle I have. These are exactly the same size. So these are generic needles that I can put. There is not a longer because your instrument cluster uses a longer needle. I'm going to put this to the temperature and the fuel are the same, but the speedometer and the tachometer they got a slight length difference. And this is very uncommon. Mostly all the tachometers, or sorry, all the instrument clusters, the other brands, let's say, they're always the same length, like this too small and this too big, not like this. So I'm sorry, but I cannot find. This is the best solution that I can give you. Again, this is an unexpected situation. This is the first time I actually have to put anything as far as needles onto any cluster like this. But yeah, going on to the speed, I can again increase it. And the reason this is not happening, this needle, I mean, this knob, you see I'm moving it, but it doesn't move as quick as I am moving it. But you can see now the speed going up and down, nice and smooth. The motors are brand new, so no problems at all. Let me go back to 10 miles an hour. All right, I can turn that off. I'm going to now set an overheating situation so we can see the light will blink in here when that happens. This has to blink perfect and it's working good. So that is just a test to make sure an overheating situation will set up the message, not just there, but also here. This is the oil warning and perfectly working normal. And now let me set it to 0. Temperature takes a little longer. So they're all working. Your instrument cluster is now working 100%. I will send you these needles back to you. Like I said, they're garbage. You put them in there and they does not hold. You put them in and they just go out to whatever. And that is with original brand new stepper motors. So nothing I can do with that. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later next time. Bye bye.